All right, well, we made it down to California, about 900 miles and 2 days of driving. And as you can see, the Willys is nowhere to be found. It's buried under all kinds of stuff as these project cars end up getting used for storage. So we're gonna start digging it out, and we'll get it drug out here and so that we can winch it up on the car trailer. Alright, well, I kind of spaced loading up the Jeep and didn't get any footage, but it's on the trailer. The ramps worked perfect, and it's all strapped down, and we're ready to head off to Idaho. So let's continue on our road trip up there, and we'll get it unloaded in 2 days. I'm going to stop halfway to Oregon, and then we'll make sure we get some footage going off the trailer this time. So that's it from California. I don't know, I'm thinking about maybe taking this one and coming back for the Willys next time. This is a fully restored 72 Bronco with a 351. And I mean, we did like full restoration on this thing. All kinds of trick parts, and axles have been overhauled, transmission's been overhauled. It was full frame off, sandblasted. The only thing it never got was final paint. But it's been used for storage also. My brother didn't find it funny that I was going to take his Bronco in place of the Willys. After 2 days, we've made it home, no issues, so let's get it unloaded and into the garage. So there we go, we got it in the garage from California, 900 miles, and we're ready to continue restoration on it. So I'm gonna keep making uploads as we do little projects of restoring this 45 Jeep Willys. If you like this video or you want to follow along on the project, give this video a like and make sure to subscribe as we restore this 1945 Jeep Willys.